Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devashri Roy and on your request I am here with my Sophie Kinsella's book collection. Well, at present I have 4 of them. Come, I'll show you. Oh, where are they? Here. I have these 4. Can You Keep a Secret, I've Got Your Number, 20s Girl and My Not So Perfect Life. So in my video book suggestions, you all have heard about 20s Girl, right? Well, yes, this is my first book from the author Sophie Kinsella. And like I told in that video, and I'm telling you again, that after reading this book, now I just became a fan of this author. She writes so nicely, humorously, and in that even she gives some messages. Like good moral messages, not that SMS which you are thinking right now. So this is my first buy of Sophie Kinsella and I'm suggesting you, to be honest, buy this book and you'll just love this book for all. And next book which I bought from hers was this, Can You Keep a Secret? So this Can You Keep a Secret, this book is all about that small secrets don't matter. The big secrets matter the most. Those secrets which are way too complicated and should be hidden. The heroine of this book, Emma, is like, how should I explain? She's full of secrets and she's really nervous flyer. And when she's on the plane and the plane hits a turbulence, she's just so confirmed that she's gonna die and she spills out all her secret to the man sitting beside her. And she never expected that man would be her boss. The boss to the place where she works. And so the hilarious story starts and the fun time starts up. After this, I got this book. I Have Got Your Number. Now this book is another fun read. And how is it funny? Well, here goes. That Poppy Wyatt, she lost her oh so costly engagement ring. And not to stop here, she even lost her phone. And where did she find a new phone? She found it in the garbage bin. Isn't that funny? But in an oddly way. So from there, everything starts. And the phone belongs to Sam Roxton, a very big businessman. And he does not like it that Poppy is reading all his messages and wading into his personal life. Nobody wants that. But then, even she had a problem, even he had a problem, and so gradually they connect. Last but not the least, this book, My Not So Perfect Life, is so relatable to this world of social media, especially this Instagram thing. Catherine Brenner, she has an Instagram account and in that she follows her boss Demeter Farlow, and with seeing Demeter's lovely and pretty pictures, she thinks, oh wow, Demeter has such a perfect life. And by thinking this, she just keeps on being jealous and jealous, and then even she starts faking her own perfect life, which is, to be honest, not hers. But then one day comes when she is face to face with Demeter and she comes to know that Demeter's life is not so perfect, but just that she wants to put the best face of hers even during her bad times. And that's where Catherine learns that be real. Be who you are. Don't try to fake your perfect life. What's the use, Baba? And in actual, you are going through something or the other. So just be yourself and see. The person who wants to be a friend or in any way will come to you for who you are, not for who you're not. And so my suggestion, buy this book and you will so understand how this Instagram tries to fool people, but then some intelligent people like you understand it. And then there is a Chinese proverb saying that when you read a new book, so it's like meeting a new friend. And when you reread the old book, it's like revisiting your old friend. And yes, this Chinese proverb really felt so relatable to me. And don't think these books are new. Everyone is old. I've been rereading them lately because lockdown to me is time to have fun with reading. Yes, reading gives me a really nice time, and when I read these books, especially Sophie Kinsella's books, so I just feel like I'm into another world. And then enjoying that book makes me forget everything about this real life. And I just so get involved with this book. At present I have only these 4, but as soon as this lockdown gets a little relaxation, I'm gonna buy more and then review them with you all. And so keeping you updated with my new book list, or should I say reading list. In any case, have a good time everybody. Let's all pray that this coronavirus should end and this world should be happy again like it was before. And at the end, if you all like my video, then yes, go and hit the like button, and yes, do subscribe my channel for getting more book suggestions, more nice music videos and many more, plus meeting a good friend like me. Bye bye. Take care.